Here we go. Ramrei, not a movie here.